Hello everyone, welcome to Analog IAS Prelims High Yielding Series for Prelims 2020, and the topic for today's video is HIV treatment drug recommended by World Health Organization. We all know that HIV or AIDS does not have a proper treatment regime till now, and assessing the benefits and risks, World Health Organization has recently recommended the use of a drug called dolutegravir. So from now on, it is preferred as the first line and second line treatment for all populations, including pregnant women. So please remember, previously all the available drugs were to be administered on pregnant women with a lot of caution because it might harm her health. Right now, this drug is safe for pregnant women as well. The risk of side effects like neural tube defects are significantly lower than what it was initially thought, and therefore the World Health Organization has given its nod for this particular drug. There is this particular term called neural tube defects. So what is this? Neural tube defect is a birth defect or a congenital defect of brain, spine and spinal cord. So they happen in the first month of pregnancy, often before a woman even knows that she is pregnant. There was a lot of concern about the possible side effect of this drug, but right now WHO has given its nod because it is not so significant. Now, for those who don't know what exactly is AIDS, it stands for acquired immunodeficiency syndrome. Acquired and deficiency are the important terms that you have to note. So what this essentially means is we have a natural defense mechanism against any foreign particles. So this means the deficiency of the immune system that we have in our body is going to be acquired. So this deficiency is an acquired deficiency because of the virus. So this human immunodeficiency virus is a member of a group called retrovirus. So all these are RNA viruses. Now RNA viruses make it very difficult for vaccination because they undergo mutations very quickly, and this transmission mode is through body fluids. The first statement, let us have a look at this question. The first statement is World Health Organization recommended dolutegravir as the preferred first line and second line treatments for all population except pregnant women. Now this statement is false because of the reason just explained. Having AIDS means deficiency of immune system acquired during the lifetime of an individual. This is a true statement. So the only treatment available for AIDS is to improve the response of your immune system. So as time progresses, we have to ensure that the individual stays healthy enough. Otherwise, what happens is in a span of 10 to 15 years, eventually the person will end up with a multiple organ failure because of the deficiencies in their immune system. So 2 only is the answer. Now please pause the video and try to answer this question. We have had a series of videos on various viral diseases. Please go through all such videos and answer this question. Please post your answer in the comment section below. That's it for now. Thank you.